My name is Dave. I'm with OTW Safety, and I'm going to show you how to repair a plastic barricade. So if we look down here at the corner, sometimes this happens, but barricades either have tears or cracks in them, and this causes the barricade to not hold any more water. And because of the nature of plastic, specifically polyethylene, resins and adhesives do not work. So the only effective way to repair a barricade is to use polyethylene filler rod and weld it into place to seal up the hole. So we'll go through all the different processes, but the first would be to prepare the surface. Before you begin to repair the barricade, it's important to make sure that it's clean. So with acetone, mineral spirits, or other solvents, make sure that the barricade is clean and dry. The cleaner it is, the better the seal will be. I've already cleaned this just a little bit, but for purposes for this video, clean it again, make sure it's nice and dry. In the meantime, make sure that your welding iron is heating up. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get a good heat going. But once that's nice and hot, get your metal mesh. This will act the same way that rebar does inside of concrete. Make sure to cut a piece that will cover the affected area, the damaged area, and make sure it extends past the cut area by about 3/8 of an inch. Stuff's pretty easy to cut. Cut it with scissors, wire cutters. So once you have the wire mesh, make sure that it fits the area and then it's ready to go. Place that over to the side. And before the metal mesh is put in place, try to fill up as much of the crack as possible with the filler plastic. And the best way, the most effective way to do this is kind of just to sandwich the plastic against the barricade. See it melting. Try not to inhale the fumes. But once the crack has been filled, go ahead and grab that small metal piece of mesh. Place it over the affected area, and then start melting it into the surface of the plastic. And like I said, this will act in a similar way that rebar does in concrete. This will give it strength. So as soon as the process is finished, more than likely, this will be the strongest part of the barricade. As you can see, it's embedded there into the plastic surface. It doesn't have to go too deep. Make sure you don't melt it so far that it burns a hole through the barricade. And then, as soon as you're ready, start filling plastic over the metal surface to make sure that the hole or crack is completely sealed. And just do this by melting small segments at a time and blending it into the surface. Make sure you use enough filler plastic. Not using enough will not create a good seal. Work around the edges. Make sure it's all filled in. Some of our customers want a better aesthetic repair job once it's all finished. And so if you care to have a really smooth surface, make sure you kind of just massage it in, make it nice and smooth. But that's it. Pretty simple, quick fix, but effective fix. We hope this video was helpful. We have more information located on our website, otwsafety.com. Go to the resources section. We'll have more documents that can help you through this process. And if you continue having problems, reach out through phone and we'd love to talk to you. Thanks.